Hey guys, so today I'm very much happy because today not yesterday I think, I got 40 subscribers, and on one of my video I also got 1.8k views. So I think 81 likes also. So this is gonna be a very special video of the DIY homemade stickers. So let's start. I'm very excited today. So here I just made 5. Okay, you can make more. I didn't need more, that's why I just made 5. I will surely buy a webcam, and I will come live from the computer, or else you have to do 1k subscribers. Your duty. So here I have color pencils. This. So we'll make emojis on these. Black one. Okay, someone requested me for only with tape. Okay, I will make that also. Let me see, where is the tape? Here. And I will also show how to make with this double-sided tape. I think everyone knows how to make it, right? But still, I thought that if someone would not know, then here she can watch this video and learn how to do it. Fast one down. I have to complete this video fast because I have more work to do today. Surely join my classes. You can join my classes now also. You can call on 9836148119 to join the class. You'll get personal attention, 1 student per time. And it's late done. 2 more left. And what should I do? I can make this one. Surely subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos like this. Only one. Which emoji should I draw? I'm thinking still now. I can draw. Okay. This emoji. Done. Closing my pencil box, keeping it aside, and here I have double-sided tape and this tape also. Oh, where are my scissors now? Arg. Okay, see how it just came out. Give it this small one only. I will show you. I have to. What can I do? But you need the scissors. You always like you know. Okay, you can do with this, but I am showing with paper tape because paper tape will cut with hand, you know. What will I do? Bad thing, right? So and another next interesting video will come when I will get 50 subscribers, means 10 more. How did I tell more? Funny way, right? Now like this, in the back part I just stick it and just for many much time you have to just do it like this. I'm turning the video off and again I will show how it will be after some more time. For many much time I have done this, and now I will stick this. Where I will stick this? I don't know. I will stick this. This paper is near me. What is this? Oh, the new computer I bought. This is the paper of the mouse and keyboard. So we will open the paper tape. Slightly open it. Here, paper tape opened. The transform. This emoji will come over here. You see? Excuse me. The sticker. Excuse me. So, and another one is very easy. I think you all know how to make it. I think so. Another is with the paper tape. Hey, it's not paper tape. It's the double-sided tape. Okay, Audi tape is more good, but I didn't get the Audi tape in the market, you know. That's why I bought Wonder 555 tape. This is also good. Now I will just stick it and wait for some time and peel off the paper and here. And when I will put it here, nothing. That you see where is the thing? Okay, at the end of this video, I will give 2 shout outs. Okay, one is, what was her name? I didn't memorize the names. Sritama Das. Okay, she is my school friend, you know. We study in the same school, same class, same section. That's why we are good friends. And I don't know where suddenly a call came and it just got disconnected. And I will tell the names. One is Sritama Das, my school friend, which I told you, and another is guess. You have to guess. Okay, you guessed it right. It's Nasima and Ruhin, cute sister. Okay, what did she keep her name? I don't know. Sistar means SISTAR, then sister, TER. One. Okay, her name is very funny. So this video ends here. Bye guys. And if you want to be in the next shout out, comment down that I want to be in the next shout out, or whatever you want to comment it in the comment box. So bye guys, but I want 10 subscribers, please. Okay, please, I want 10 subscribers. If I get 10 subscribers, I will make another amazing video,